Dialogue update and good night because I can't finish this. What I did is I did not update my last picture. Okay, this is what I did. I went from this world over here, okay, and to show you it in a larger format, it's the same thing here. But in this formation, you notice the way we have the Pontiac signs that start up here, those chevrons, the way you want to call them. This is the Monopoly board. And this is the entire layout of everything over the Monopoly board. You got the Big Mug and David. You got the trains. Okay. Over here it's the Tax or the Orient. This one is gray and blue. 7 and 2. And that's exactly what it is. Those properties over there is a total of 9. And that's the Burt properties, the Angels, the Orient. Okay. Then we go to violet. That's 4. Okay. Now that would be the violet color, and that's man's birth. That's the angle, violet, red, and whatever other color, a little bit of blue. Then we get into orange, red and yellow. The Christ energy is in here with the red, and here's the red separate. But this is what you want to take. Then we have the yellow and the red, the two energies that create the orange, and the green, that's life. Seventh gate. Why? Because they're right next to go to jail. Red is 9 for birth, which means the one spirit, and red is the one in both horse racing and in the 3 in this world of creation. That's why we start in pi with 3.1, because of the red 3 ball and the 1 yellow ball start together, 3.14. And the 4 ball, if I'm not mistaken, that should be purple, or the same opposite of the violet, because that is for the birth. But anyways, so this is now the Monopoly board, and you see where the M, okay, forget about this part, but the M here, excuse me, let's do it this way. The M here, the M here, the M here, and the M here, 1,000 years in Roman numerals. Now you take the train this way and this way, 5 and 5. 5 and 5, half and half. 1,000 years, 5 and 5, 2,000 years, 6,000 years. Anybody can do that. Right now it's the Monopoly board. We got to see what all the properties do in relation to creation, and all of my pentagrams and other designs and pyramids that would go into it like this. This would all get into that, but I would need a piece of paper bigger than my apartment to be able to create everything. Because don't forget, when you really want to create it and see the two sides, you have to leave the in-between walls and you have to separate. Then after you separate it, you can see what pieces it took to get together before you put it together. Anyways, for now, thank you very much for listening to me. Raphael, MrTacpans, on behalf of the spirit of 76 and 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus, I thank you. You think it's over right now? It is.